In this video, we're going to show you how to access GAC Commissions. The first thing you'll want to do is come up to Agents at the top of the page and scroll down to Agent Commission Statements. And then enter your username and password. It will start with a letter and end with 3 digits, and the username is exactly the same as the password. It is case sensitive, so your letter must be capitalized. And if you decide to change your password in preferences, keep in mind it will become encrypted, and if you forget it, we'll have to have it reset for you. So definitely remember or write it down as a backup measure. The second way to access your commissions is to actually log in as the agent. And you come in under Agent Login, and then click on Login to GAC Agent Center, enter your login credentials. Verify that you're not a robot, and log in. Then you're going to want to click on the Menu tab, and then you're going to want to drop down to Commission Statements, and same thing here, enter the username and the password. Keep in mind it's case sensitive, but once you're logged in, you should be able to figure out how to read the statement. If you have questions beyond that, call our office, 1-800-366-2467. Thank you very much.